Before I officially start off this video, I just want to show you guys my workout set because it is so cute and I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with the color. I will try to link it down below for you guys. So the top has a nice cutout on the back. It's really cute. I love it so much, and it's like the racer back, so I'm still going to be wearing a sports bra underneath because it's just like a top and it's super thin. So these are the leggings. Love these. They're high-waisted, so that's really nice. It really like sucks you all in, and I just love the detailing of it. And in the back there's also like a little cutout, kind of matches the back of this. So I really love it. Like I said, I'll try to link it down below for you guys. And then the sports bra that I'm going to be wearing underneath the top is just this white Nike sports bra. This one is really good. It is really tight and keeps everything nice and supported. So I'm going to change into this outfit right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I just put on my workout set. As you guys saw, I wanted to show you it first. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my at-home workout routine with no equipment. So as you guys know, with this whole virus, gyms are shut down. Everyone is supposed to be staying inside. And so I've been trying to incorporate working out at home more often. I showed you guys a little snippet of me working out in another vlog, but I decided to do a whole dedicated video just to be showing you guys what I'm doing, so maybe you guys can go and follow along and it can motivate you to go work out while being home. And like I said, you don't need equipment. You just need yourself. Get yourself a nice workout outfit on, put some music on, whatever helps you get into the zone, and just do a quick workout. It doesn't have to be an hour-long workout. This is not a long workout at all, especially because I don't have equipment, but it's really simple, really easy. I do some stretches in the beginning that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to show you guys my routine, and I used to work out a lot, so I try to just put together random things. I also watch a lot of other people who do workout videos, so that also gives me other ideas to implement. And let's just get started, and first things first, we're going to be stretching. So I like to hold these stretches for about 10 seconds. It's really good when you're about to do like a leg and butt workout because you don't want to pull anything. So I just hold all these poses, and these are really good stretches, and I really like them all. I also like to incorporate some high knees, butt kicks, and then I start with a little bit of calf raises in the beginning before I start my butt workout. This just gets you pumped and gets your heart rate going before starting the actual workout. I'm going to be popping on the screen how many reps I'm doing for each workout, and I'm going to have the workout name. If I get it wrong, don't come for me. I'm just going based off of like what I think it's called. So, but you're going to be obviously watching me do it so you guys can follow along. But I'm starting out with 20 donkey kickbacks. These are really good exercises that you guys are going to be seeing me do 2 times. So I'm doing 2 sets of these and 20 reps each. I really like these because it gets your glutes going. It's like a good warm-up before the other exercises that you guys are going to be seeing. So make sure each time you go up, you're really squeezing and activating your glutes. So I'm going to now play some music and speed this up. now going to be going into our next couple of exercises. You're going to be doing glute bridges regular, then you're going to be doing glute bridges with an extension of opening your legs, you guys will see, and then 20 single leg glute bridges as well. These are really great for your booty, so do not sleep on these. And also hip thrusts are really good when you have a bench, but you can try to do that on your couch. I haven't done them yet, but those are also really good for your butt. So here we go. Also make sure when you go up you're squeezing your glutes really tight, so you want to make sure you're doing that in order for this to be really effective. To end it off, we're going to be doing 20 squat pulses and 20 alternating lunge pulses. These are going to burn so much, so get ready for that, but these are a really great way to end off the workout. I learned this from a YouTuber that I watch, Kaylee Varney. She's really great and I love her workouts, so I love implementing these, especially the lunges. I've never done the lunges before. I've done the squats before, but overall this is a great way to end off this butt workout. So now on to abs. I'm not going to be doing sets. So for abs, what I like to do is I just like to do like a 10-minute or however long ab workout and just do 20 reps for the most part of each. You guys are going to see, I'm going to pop up all of the reps on the screen and you're just going to run through this one time, but doing more reps so you feel that burn. So you want to make sure also that each time you are doing these ab workouts, your core is tight and engaged. Tired and sweaty. That was such a good workout and such a good burn. After that leg workout, my legs were on freaking fire. Crazy, and I love all of these ab workouts. They're literally the perfect combination, and they're just really good, and I love them because I always feel a good burn, and it's good to switch up your workouts and not keep doing the same things. So I'm pretty good at like switching up some of my ab workouts, but these are some of my favorites and I want to show you guys. Hope you guys all try them. So now I'm going to stretch more with my legs again, just so that I'm not super sore tomorrow and I don't feel like stiff. So I'm going to do that really quickly to end this whole workout off. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching my at-home workout routine, especially now during this quarantine. No equipment used at all, but I had still such a really great workout. And I'm really happy that I got my body moving. It's great to keep your body moving and doing something to keep active during this time of being stuck at home. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And also comment down below some of your favorite workouts or a little routine so I can try. And with that being said, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.